Hi, this is Monica of Knitted Wishes. Today I would like to show you how to work the purl bind off. We're going to bring the yarn forward. Then we're going to purl the first stitch. We're going to purl the second stitch. And then we're going to pass the first stitch over the second stitch and off the needle. Now we're going to purl the next stitch, and again we're going to pass the first stitch over the second stitch and off the needle. Now you need to be careful not to make the stitches too tight, or the bind off will be quite tight. And this is what it looks like.